my class. In today's class we will see the continuation of the chapter areas related to circles of class 10 exercise 12.3. So in our previous video we have seen question up to 6. Today we will see question number 7. So question number 7, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. With centers A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded portion. So this is the question. So here we have a square ABCD. So ABCD is a square, and with these points, a vertex of the square as center, we have 4 circles. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So very easy. Actually this question is very easy because from the area of the square, if you are able to subtract, if you are subtracting these 4 sectors, if you subtract these 4 sectors, then we will get the area of the shaded portion. So now we will see what is these 4 sectors. Actually, you know that this is a square, so this angle will be 90 degree. So these 4 sectors are actually quadrants. So if you keep all these quadrants together, what you are getting? You are getting a circle only. So we have 4 quadrants here. So if you join all the quadrants together, we are getting a circle. So from the area of the square, if you subtract area of a circle, you will get the answer. So we will do now. So area of shaded region, shaded portion is equal to area of square minus area of circle. So here area of square area is side into side. Here it is given that the square side is 14 centimeter. So side into side, that is 14 into 14 minus area of the sector, that is pi r square. Pi here we will take 22 by 7 into r square. What is radius? So you know that if the side is 14 centimeter, so this length will be 7 centimeter. So the radius of the circle is 7. So 7 into 7. So we can cancel this 7. So 196 minus will multiply 4, 154. So if you subtract these two, you will get the answer. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. So 42 centimeter square. So actually this is a very easy question. So the answer for area of shaded region is 42 centimeter square. Now we will see the next question. Question number 8. The figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between 2 inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Second part, the area of the track. So in this question we have 2 subdivisions. So first what we have is a track. So here we have what are the measurements given that we will check now. The distance between 2 inner parallel line segment is 60. So these are the inner parallel line segment. So the distance between these 2 parallel line segment is actually 60 meters. That is given in the question as 60 meter. And they are each 106 meter long. So this parallel line, length of this parallel line is 106 meter. So the length is 106 meter and the track is 10 meter wide. So the width of the track is 10 meter. So we have these measurements. The first part we have to find the distance around the track along its inner edge. So actually we need to find this distance. This is actually the inner region. So inner edge, you have to find this distance. So you have to find this distance you have to find. So for finding this distance, first part, First you consider here we have two parallel lines. So this is 106 and this length is also 106. So we can add these two length, that is 106 we can add. And if you consider this portion and this portion, if you join, so you are getting a circle, and for getting this length, if you add these two lengths, this is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So this is the circumference of the circle. So for finding the distance around the track along its inner edge, we have to add these two lengths and the circumference of the circle. So first one we will find out now. The distance around the track. The distance around the track along its inner edge. Along its inner edge is equal to, here we have 106. So 106 plus this length is also 106 plus circumference of the circle, that is the formula is 2 pi r. So what is the radius of this circular region? You know that this length is nothing but the diameter. We have this length as 60 meter. So then the radius will be half of this. So r is equal to 30 meter. So here 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7. So the pi value here we will take as 22 by 7 into, here the radius is 30. So 2 pi r we have substituted. Now we will add. When you add 106, you will get 212 plus, here further we cannot simplify, just we cannot cancel. So we will just find out. So 66 into 2. So 66 into 2. So 132. So 1320 by 7. Again we will take LCM. So when you take LCM here, we will get 484. 1484 plus 1320 divided by 7. So when you add these two numbers, we will get 40,182. So 2804 by 7 meter. Actually this is the distance of the track, around the track along its inner edge. So this is how you have to find the distance of the track. Now we will go to the second part, that is area of the track. So now we will see the second part, that is area of the track we are going to find now. So second one, area of the track. So here if you find, this is actually the track. So this region is the track. So we are going to find this region area. This is our track. This shaded portion. Okay. So area of the track. If you see here, for finding area of the track, we can divide this track into different figures. If you consider this portion, actually this is a rectangle. So rectangle of length 106 meter and breadth 10. So we have two such rectangles here. So we will take 2 times area of rectangle with length 106 and breadth 10 meter. So we will take 2 into area of rectangle plus, now we will see this portion. See these two end portion, that circular, semicircular region. If you consider these two end portion, if you join these two portion, actually if you are joining these two portion, actually we are getting a circular ring. So this only we are getting, this region only we are getting. This we will call as circular ring, and the formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square, where capital R is the radius of the outer circle and small r is the radius of the inner circle. So this is only capital R and small r. So if this semicircular circular region, if we join together, we are getting a circular ring. So we will add that also. That is, we have a circular ring. So area of semicircular, not semicircular, circular ring. Of width, here we have width as 10 meter. Now we will calculate area of the rectangle. Formula is length into breadth. So we have length as 106 and breadth is 10. So 106 into 10. So 2 times 106 into 10 plus area of the circular ring, pi into capital R square minus small r square. That is, pi value is 22/7 into capital R. Actually, this outer circle radius, here we have 30 and this width is 10. Then this outer circle's radius will be 30 plus 10, that is 40. So, the capital R is here 40 and the small r is equal to 30 for this track. So, 40 square minus 30 square. Now, we will simplify this. So, when you multiply, you will get 0. That is 2120 plus, here we will simplify 1600 minus 900. So, we will simplify now. So, 2120 plus 22/7 into, if you subtract, you will get 700. So, we can cancel now, you will get 100. That is 2120 plus 2200. So, when you add these two, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4. So, 4320 meter square. Actually, this is the area of the track. So, 4320 meter square. So, this is how you have to find. It's a very important question. Now, we will see the next question. Question number 9. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 cm, find the area of the shaded region. So, in this question, here if you see, we have a circle with the center O, where AB and CD are the diameters. And the OA length, so actually this length, the radius of the bigger circle is given as 7 cm. Then we have to find the area of shaded region, that is this smaller circle and this shaded region we have to add. So how we are going to do? First we will see this smaller circle. Since this is OA, this OD is also radius only. So this OD length also 7 cm only. So OD also will be 7 cm. That is, the diameter of this smaller circle is 7 cm. Then its radius will be half of this, that is 7/2 cm. So the radius of this smaller circle is 7.2 cm. So area, for finding area of the shaded region, we have to add area of circle with radius 7/2 plus this region. How are you going to find the area of this shaded region? That is area of the semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. So, if you subtract area of the semicircle from area of semicircle, area of triangle, if you subtract, you will get this shaded region. So, area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. So, we are going to do now this one. So, first we will find out area of the circle with a radius 7/2. So pi into, that is 22 by 7 into r square. Here the radius is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Plus area of the semicircle, that is 1 by 2 into pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into. For this semicircle, the radius is 7. So 7 into 7 minus, how will you find area of this triangle? Actually, this is a right angled triangle because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree, and we have this base and this height. You know that this height is nothing but 7 centimeter. This base is actually the diameter, that is 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So half BH formula we can use, half into base is 14 and height is equal to 7. So now we will simplify this. Here we can cancel. So 11 into 7, that is 77 by 2, plus here also we can cancel. So plus 77 minus, here we can cancel, so 49. That is 77 by 2 is 38.5 plus 77 minus 49. We will add these two. So when you add 115.5 minus 49. Now we will subtract. So 0.5. Here 15 minus 9, that is 6. And again here 10 minus 4, that is 6. So 66.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the shaded region, 66.5 centimeter square. Thank you, students.